This presentation will recreate the construction sequence for the Liberal Arts Building for Texas A&M University. The 100,000 plus square foot building is scheduled to be completed in 2012 by Skanska, the primary contractor of the project. After the pre-construction phase of the project, Skanska will break ground in early 2011. After preparing the existing utilities for construction, excavation will begin for the drilled piers and crawl space area. Once the crawl space piers have been dug and poured, the mud slab will be laid. Once the slab has reached the proper strength, the crawl space walls will be formed and poured, followed by the crawl space columns. After the crawl space walls have been poured, the remainder of the piers will be drilled and poured and the pile caps installed. The grade beam and foundation slab will be poured in two sections. The building will be divided into north and south for the remainder of the structural concrete construction. The north slab will be poured first, followed by the south. After the north slab has reached proper strength, the north side columns will be formed and poured for the first floor. This will occur simultaneously to the south side slab construction. Once the north columns have reached the proper strength, shoring will be installed and a pan system installed before the second floor elevated slab is formed and poured. This sequence will continue in the same order for the remainder of the structural concrete construction. After the structural concrete is finished, the building shell will begin to go up. Installation of the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems will begin on a floor-by-floor basis, beginning with the crawl space and first floor. As the first floor MEP is being completed, the exterior partitions will begin. The walls will be framed and bricked in the same manner. Two crews will be used, starting at opposite corners of the building and rotate around to the other's beginning point. Following the completion of the exterior partitions for each specific floor, the interior partitions will begin to be framed. This process will repeat itself all the way up the building, floor by floor. Clash detection can be extremely beneficial in this process. Skanska is able to use BIM software to detect clashes between MEP systems, structural elements, and architectural elements of the building and correct them before construction even begins. To avoid the risk of breaking glass during the construction process, the curtain wall systems will be installed only after all exterior partitions have been completely framed, waterproofed, and bricked. After the curtain wall systems have been installed, the exterior doors and windows will be put in place to complete the building shell. Once the outer shell has been completely finished, the interior wall finishes will be installed floor by floor, followed by the ceilings, and finally the floor finishes. This presentation was created by Benkendorfer, a construction science student at Texas A&M University.